The Laṅkāvatāra Sūtra, Chapter 2, Part 46. Moreover, Mahāmati, I will explain the characteristics of word, phrase, and letter units. For bodhisattvas who become adept at examining the characteristics of word, phrase, and letter units, and at penetrating the meaning of word, phrase, and letter units, will quickly attain unexcelled, perfect enlightenment. And once they are thus enlightened, they will enlighten others. Mahāmati, as for a word unit, a word is established based on an object. This is what is meant by a word unit. As for a phrase unit, a phrase is a unit of meaning. It defines or determines the self-existence of something. This is what is meant by a phrase unit. As for a letter unit, it points to a word or phrase. This is what is meant by a letter unit. Moreover, a letter unit can be long or short, high or low. Also, a phrase unit is a footprint. For example, a footprint left by a person or by an animal, like a horse or an elephant, can be called a phrase unit. Mahāmati, as for words and letters, we use words to refer to the four formless skandhas. Thus we speak of words, and we use letters to point to their individual characteristics. Thus we speak of letters. This is what is meant by word, phrase, and letter units, and why I say distinguishing the characteristics of word, phrase, and letter units is something you should all cultivate. The Buddha then repeated the meaning of this in verse. Distinguish units of letters, units of words and phrases. People who foolishly cling to these are like elephants in a quagmire.